early in the morning due to heavy heat wave. I'm unable to explore Doha in the afternoon, and therefore I've decided to go to the Corniche and the Doha Central, where all the skyscrapers are there in the morning to have a morning shoot. Therefore, I'm going to there by metro, and now it is 6:45 a.m. and the temperature is almost 36 degrees Celsius. So just imagine how hot it is. So those who have decided to come in Middle East, I must suggest them to come at winter, not in the summer. The question doesn't arise, not even in autumn. It's really very hot. This is called a metro station, the beautiful metro station. Becoming unexplorable only because of the heat wave. But it's a beautiful area, beautiful place. Now this is the actual Doha Corniche, as you can see. This is the Corniche Park over here, and see in front of me entrance of metro to Doha Corniche Park. I'm going now to DCC, the central part of Doha. Yesterday night I went over there, but in the morning the skyscrapers look better.